Congratulations XRP holder, from last 7 days my friend XRP will starting moving upwards, so that's a really great news my friend for me, especially in last 24 hours my friend. This coin were very fastly moving upward. You can see here 8%, 8.99, it's mean to 9% my friend were moving upward in last 7 days, but in last one day 6.8, it's mean to 7% profit my friend, just in only in last 24 hours. But in last 1 hour also my friend 1.09% the price will pumps up. Definitely the rank is also increased now my friend, the market cap, absolutely everything is increased now. So that's a really good news, and the price will also hit now $1 again now my friend. A lot of time they will hit now $1, but they will again fails down. So therefore I will notify you my all viewers to when they were fails down my friends, definitely you will need to buy it. When you buy it, so definitely after fails they will absolutely take a jump. So and the price will increase and they will hit now $1 and they will make you a millionaire my brother. So why you will miss this chance my brother? My viewers, please, I will notify you to don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit. That is the main thing my friend, which I tell you every day, every time my friend, to please when the price will fails down. So does not mean to this coin is completely going the garbage. Absolutely, after a time, absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I know my friends, to upcoming time they will again hit now 1.5 USD, but this time you can see 11% profit in last 3 days. 11%, and those days especially I have no coin my friends can pump like that, but XRP is one of the unique and one of the best coin. So the CEO my friend also tell us to we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies, so absolutely if they will collaborate, so this coin will completely go in the moon. Thanks for watching XRP holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.